Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Shopee tutorial. In this week, I would like to highlight the common mistakes about using Shopee logo as well as Shopee labels. In this video, I will split this video into two parts, whereby the first part I will touch on Shopee logo policy and second part I will touch on Shopee labels policy. So if you are first time here, welcome. I'm Vernette. I'm the e-commerce coach, coaching my students on how to generate 5-figure sales using e-commerce business. At the end of today's training, you will learn how to avoid inappropriate practice in creating Shopee logo and use it in your own shop, as well as you will learn how to avoid inappropriately using Shopee label in your own Shopee business. Let's get started. Firstly, let's touch on Shopee logo policy. We must understand the Shopee logo policy first. There are 3 rules in using Shopee logo. Firstly, we are not allowed to use Shopee images, include Shopee logo, mascot, marketing campaign, and extra. Second, we do not want to mislead our shopper to think that our shop or product are affiliated with Shopee. Third, we do not want to mislead Shopee to think that our shop or products are endorsed by Shopee. So before you upload your shop logo, please check that there is nothing of what we have mentioned in the 3 points above. We are not allowed to use any of the Shopee logo as displayed here for any purposes. We are also refrained from adding elements of Shopee images that may mislead our shoppers in any situations. Well, how do you use Shopee image correctly in your Shopee shop? Firstly, if your purpose is to beautify your shop logo, you can use it as your shop logo. Secondly, if you want to indicate that your shop has a presence in Shopee, yes, you are allowed to use the Shopee logo like this. Now is part 2. We would like to highlight to you misuse of Shopee labels. How Shopee labels look like. These are the example of official Shopee labels. And not only this, whenever you see the labels like this, all these are the asset and property of Shopee that you couldn't use for your own purpose. To go deeper into that, firstly, you cannot use Shopee label in any of your product listing. If you do that, your product or your shop will be banned by Shopee. You also disallowed to modify images to include Shopee label to mislead shoppers into belief that your shop or your product are related to Shopee. If you're modifying images to include Shopee labels, mislead shoppers into belief that Shopee endorse the promotion or service advertised in your products, or the seller of this listing are recognized by Shopee for excellent performance. All this, you have to bear the consequences because all these are disallowed by Shopee.